These are some of the things. Hello, everyone. Oh my goodness. It's been a while. I am just sharing some of the things that I have in my pantry. I have gotten because of the coronavirus. So I had to stock up for a few things. I know I haven't been there in a while, but whatever. YouTube, I'm not getting paid, so whatever. I'm just coming on here, sharing, making a history of my coronavirus experience. And these are some of the things I have in my pantry. This is a pantry corner. I have large cans of tomatoes, sauce, and large 10 size number 10 cans of whole peeled tomatoes. And the name is Fermanos. Very delicious. And two big, gigantic, huge bottles of vegetable oil. Husband loves his vegetable oil and fried chicken. Okay, let's go on over here to the other. Okay, here is some things in my pantry that have been stocked up because of the coronavirus. As you can see, I have several different kinds of herbs and spices. And also, this pantry in by the kitchen area is a hot mess, but it's full of food and a whole bunch of other junk. I need to clean it, but that's neither here nor there now. I am sharing this because I feel like it. And these are some of the things in my pantry that needs so badly to be organized. It needs to be organized. Everything is just thrown around. It's dusty and a hot mess. It's all kind of things going on here. Beans, noodles, parchment paper, cornmeal, sugar, oats, flour, sugar. Yes, I am on the freezer sitting over there, but let me show you inside of the freezer. You got, this is a chest type freezer. It's full of meat, all kind of chicken, fish, beef, turkey, steaks, whatever needs defrosting. And also in front, it's just all discombobulated. Everything is a mess. I haven't had time to organize or try and fix things up or dust clean, whatever. This virus is just crazy, and we have things that we don't have to panic about buying because I can cook some things from scratch, a lot of stuff from scratch. Everybody can't cook from scratch, but anyway, that's why they got to get the processed food. But you guys know Janita's diet is changed, and I have to flavor my food up with herbs and spices. So this is why Janita has so many herbs and spices. And it's a hot mess all the way across here. Some other little items here. It's just a mess over here. But I just wanted to come in here and document my coronavirus experience and just say hello to myself. Nobody give a dang about me, but anyway. Hi, Janita. How you doing? Oh, good. Anyway. But, yeah. Anyway, say hello to the family, to my kids anyway. Hi, kids. How y'all doing? Love you, miss you, want to see you. Stay safe, sanitized, and just keep yourself social distancing. Keep your mask and gloves on. and everything else to be safe during this coronavirus madness, okay? That's all I want to say. Not wasting your time, but loving my time. And next, I have several gardening videos that I'm going to be sharing with me to me, okay? Goodbye, Junior. Until the next time, stay healthy and well.